Namaste student, Khusra Vidya. I, Kaushik Chakravarti from Jyoti Vidyapeeth University, Jaipur, Rajasthan, from Faculty of Education and Methodology, Department of Science and Technology. Here, I present my today's topic is phonocardiogram and carotid pulse of the subject biomedical signal processing. Phonocardiogram, PCG and carotid pulse is the mechanical functionality of the cardiovascular system is governed by a complex interplay between pressure gradient determined by the contraction force of the myocardial cell, the dynamic of blood flow and the capillans of cardiac chambers and blood vessels. This mechanical process produces vibrations and acoustic signal that can be recorded over the chest wall. Bioacoustics heart signal include heart sound, apical pulse and arterial pulse carry valuable clinical information, but their use has been most limited by qualitative assessment by manual methods. The two major audible sounds in the normal cardiac cycles are the first and second heart sound. Here, the first and second heart sound are determined by S1 and S2. S1 occurs at the onset of the ventricular contraction during the closure of the mitral and tricuspid valve, and S2 heard at the end of the ventricular cyclogy during the closure of the acoustic and pulmonary valves. Here, different types of valves generated the signals through the communications. Basically, we are defining here the cardiovascular system through the heart and with the communications of other vascular system. There is a different vascular system generated different signals through cardiovascular system, and normally these signals are recorded by S1 and S2. The cardiac pulse signal reflect small volume change of the artery with each heartbeat. The morphological of these signals are the temporal relationship of the cardiovascular system, and these signals are recorded through phonocardiogram and cardiac pulse. This is the two interrelated term. This is phonocardiogram and cardiac pulse. The system behind the cardiac system behind cardiovascular and the vascular system means heart and other vascular systems. So it's a very important point, very important topic in the biomedical signal processing, because the vascular systems are defined in the generating of signals through heart and other cardiac system. Normally, these cardiac systems are very vibrant with acoustic signals. They generate the acoustic signals, and the acoustic signals are recorded through S1 and S2 in the vascular cardiac system. The whole signals are recorded in phonocardiogram and as a the cardiac pulse known as a cardiac pulse. It's a limited and qualitative assessment. By this method we are generating and we are assessing the signals and we are recording the signals through this pulse. Thank you.